Hello everyone, this is Mayank Sanghvi from freelemon.com and I am back with another SQL Server video, and in this video we are going to install SQL Server 2008 R2 Express in Windows 7. So let's start. The prerequisite, you have the installation. I don't want Java updates. Click on C drive. My installation is available C softwares and I want to no yes I want to install SQL Server 2008 R2 Express. If you want to know the download link for this is available in the description of this video. So I double click on SQL Server SQL XPR underscore x64 underscore ENU, and right now it is extracting the file. Let me see whether it start or not. Let's run it again. Yeah, I want to run it. Second times I don't want to run it because it is already extracting, so I'm going to cancel it. My extraction is almost complete. I hope Windows update is still downloading, so it is not going to trouble us in the installation of our SQL Server. It is almost complete. Can I pause the video? No. Click on yes. If UAC asks, then you have to click on yes. Now setup is loading some initial files. My setup is still running. It's native SQL install bootstrapper. My setup is running in background, so we have to wait until it finishes its task. Finally, I got SQL Server Installation Center window. In this, if you want to know about all other links, you can check my blog. I am going to share the link of my blog in the description of this video. For the time being, you have to click on installation and then select new installation or add features to an existing installation. Now the setup.exe is open. Here it is running. Now it is checking the prerequisite of the setups. So minimum operating system version passed, setup administration passed, setup account privileges passed. All the checks are passed. Now it is initiating the actual installation process. So we have to wait. Now read all the license term and click on I accept the license term. Click on next. Setup is now checking the support files which is required for the installation. I don't want this anymore, so can I close this? Why it's stuck here? Okay. I think I have to pause my video. So setups initial check is complete, and now we have to wait for final installation window. And here it is. Here is the final setup process, and we want all the features, and this is the installation directory. If you want to change it, then you can change it, but I don't want to change the installation directory. Why? Because I have this with huge space, this and this not contain enough space for the drive. So click on next. Now you have to decide the instance name. You can select default instance name, or you can specify a name. I am going to give my instance name is SQL Express 08. I am going to click on next. For the account, I am going to use the same account for all SQL Server services, and I am going to use NT authority system. Click on OK. Now if you want to change the collection, then you can change it. If you want case sensitiveness, then you can enable case sensitiveness in your collection. If you don't want SN sensitiveness, then you can enable it. This is your choice. I am not going to change anything for the collection. Click on next. And it's time for server configuration. In this you have to provide authentication mode, whether you want mixed mode or you want Windows authentication mode. You can switch it later, but I'm going to use mixed mode and I'm going to provide a password for my SA account. Specify SQL Server administrator. In this you can add current user or you can add any other user, but in my system I am the only user, so I am not able to show how to add other user, but you can edit. How to edit? Just advanced, you can search and you can add any other user. Data directory, if you want to change the database directory, then you can change it. Database temporary database directory, temporary database log directory, if you want to change it you can change it, but I am not going to change it, of course, because on the C drive I have enough space. Now I'm going to click on next, and finally my setup is started. So it will take some time, so I'm pausing my video and see you guys once it is done. My installation is almost complete, and I think it takes 5 to 10 minutes more. So my installation is finally completed. Click on close. Finally our SQL Server 2008 R2 installation is complete. If you want explanation on any part in this video, leave a comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video.